Hello, little explorers. Who's ready for some science fun? I'm ready for some science fun. Are you ready for some science fun? Well, this is just something easy that you can do with maybe some things that you might already have in your kitchen. And it's just kind of fun to play around with and kind of fun to look at. It does make a little bit of a mess after a while. Be careful, but have some fun with it. I mean, it's just fun to explore, right, little explorers? That's what we do. So for this, I'm going to use the rest of the vinegar from our other experiment that we did with the balloon. And I'm going to use the rest of the baking soda as well. But I'm also going to use some food coloring. I had some old food coloring around and said, let's just use it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour a little bit of vinegar in all of the cups. Just a little bit, you know. Now, right now, the vinegar is clear. Doesn't have a color to it, right? So let's change that. Let's make this vinegar colorful. All right, so this is yellow food coloring. So what color do you think it's going to turn the vinegar? Right, little explorers, it's going to make the vinegar yellow. And I just put a couple of drops in, and do you see? It's yellow. It made it yellow. All right. I have red food coloring. That's going to make the vinegar, you got it, red. All right, put a few drops in there. And now we have red vinegar. And my very last food coloring, because I can't find my blue, but that's okay. I've got green. I put a few drops in there. What color do you think the vinegar is going to become? You smart. It's going to be green, okay? So we have some green vinegar. We have some red vinegar, and we have some yellow vinegar. And honestly, we're just gonna have fun exploring. I always like to see the chemical reaction between baking soda and vinegar. One is a base and one is an acid. And so it makes a very interesting chemical reaction. I'm just gonna dump the whole box in here, all right? And then spread it around with the spoon. You gotta be careful. If you do this at home, be careful because you don't want to make a mess all over your house. And then sometimes I have little droppers, but I didn't have droppers today, but that's okay because I can use the spoon. And then I just take a little bit of the vinegar and look at that. It's fizzing up. I love to watch the different colors fizz. You wanna see that again? Look. It's totally fizzing. All right, let's see what happens when we do the red one. You ready? Oh, it's super fizzy. All right, let's try the green one. Oh yeah, which fizz did you like best? I wonder what would happen if we did a red fizz over here and then quickly put a yellow fizz over here. Oh, it's like green. I mean orange, because red and orange red and yellow, they make orange, you know what I'm trying to say. But anyway, just have a good time with the vinegar and the baking soda and watch all of it. See if you can get the entire thing to just fizz up. So that's just a little bit of science fun. Might have those things around the house and you can have a good time. Little explorers, it's been fun exploring with you. See you next time. Bye-bye.